In this video, we're going to look at number 4 and 5 on the Exam 2 review. So the number 4 asks us to draw a graph that models the situation below. So we have got 5 people, and we've got X's representing some type of relationship between them. Doesn't really tell us what it is, but maybe they were partners, they were allowed to work together, something like that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a letter for each person. So A for Amy. You can do whatever order you want. I tend to just kind of go in a circle. Try to evenly space them as much as I can. All right, so I've got all 5 people. So I need to connect Amy to Ben and Amy to Chuck. So I'm going to go A to B and A to C. So Ben is already connected to Amy. So I need to connect to Chuck and Ed. So that'll be B to C and B to E. Okay, Chuck's already been connected to Amy and Ben. We just have to add a connection to Deb, so we're going to connect C to D. All right, now Deb's already been connected to Chuck. We just have to draw a connection to Ed, so we connect D to E. When we get to the bottom one, we should have them. We've already connected E to B and E to D, so we're done with that problem. All right, now number 5 asks us to find an Euler circuit. So remember, for an Euler circuit, we have to cover every edge. Oops, that's really hard to read. I'm going to cover every edge once. Okay, so I can't leave any edges out. Now for an Euler circuit, remember all of my vertices will be even, so you can start anywhere. Now, there are a whole bunch of correct answers to this. It depends on where you start, and then there's a lot of options on what order you can go through. So I'm just going to show one option. I'm picking this as my starting and stopping point. So I just have to pick which direction I want to go first. I'm going to go this way, so this will be 1. Then I hit a vertex. I keep going this way, that'll be 2. That gets me to the corner. I'm going to go down 3, down 4. So I'm just kind of going around the outside right now. But when I get to here, I'm going to go ahead and go up this diagonal. So this is going to be 6, and then I'll go 7. And from that corner, I only have one option. I have to come back down 8. I'm going to go ahead and finish out my diagonals with 9. Then I'm going to go this way for 10. And here's 11. And here's 12. So this is one of many correct answers. And you don't have to show the arrows. But if you show the numbers, I'm basically just going to go through and I'm going to trace your answer. And I'm going to make sure that you cover every single edge and that you don't repeat any edges. So if I can trace it and do that, then I'll know that it's correct.